Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Esther. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I prepared my oatmeal peanut butter cookies. This is a very healthy cookies because it has no refined flour, it has no refined sugar. It's basically 5 natural ingredients and it is very healthy. You can have this as breakfast cookies and it will keep you satiated for a very long time. You can also have this as snacks in between meals or even those midnight cravings. You can have these cookies and not feel guilty. Children can also take these cookies to school as snacks. Before we proceed, I'll please ask that you take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. I would also appreciate that you like and share this video. Please stick around to the end of this video to find out how I achieved this wonderful recipe. And without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into it. My today's ingredients is going to be 2 cups of quick oats. You can use rolled oats if you wish. 2 bananas. You want your bananas to be very ripe. The browner the better because you're relying on the banana for that extra sweetness. 1/4 of a cup of chocolate chips, a tablespoonful of vanilla extract for that extra flavor, and 1/2 cup of peanut butter. I'm going to go in with my bananas. Mash them up with my fork. You want to get it to the point where it has the consistency of banana baby food. Now I'm going to go in with my peanut butter. And combine them thoroughly. In goes my vanilla extract. After mixing it thoroughly, I will finally go in with my oats. And then you want to be sure to give this a good stir to combine all ingredients very well. Then I'm finally going with my chocolate chips. So I've also gone ahead to prepare my pan. For a video on how I prepared my pan and how I lined it with parchment paper, you can watch my previous video. I'll link it in my description below. Now I'm going to go ahead to scoop just a little bit of this just into my palm, and as much as possible mold it together. Now I'm going to be transferring this into my preheated oven and bake for 10 minutes. Now when the cookies come out of the oven, this is what we have. That's little crunchiness on the outside, and then it's brown and well done. So this is our finished cookies. Very yummy and flavorful. I'm going to go ahead to transfer it into an airtight container and put it in the refrigerator. It can be there for as long as 1 week. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate your support. Thank you for my returning subscribers. Thank you for my new subscribers. And please, if you're new, kindly subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any of my new videos. I would also appreciate your likes, your share of this video, and your comments in the comment section. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you.